What is up everybody, good morning and good afternoon to everyone who's watching the video. It's me Kevin and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can reset your Blizzard account. So for those people who do not know Blizzard, basically Blizzard is an online gaming platform where you guys can buy games and play games like Call of Duty, as well as basically like a game launcher and like a game buying place like Steam as well. So that's like a basic information about it. If you guys want to know more about it, you can visit the official website to know more about it. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can reset it. If you forgot the password, you can recover it as well. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. Let's jump right into the video. First step is you want to go to your search engine and you want to search for blizzard.com. It's going to take you to the official website of Blizzard like this. Once you search for it, it's going to take you to this website. Once you're over here, you want to go on my account and you want to go on login. Once you go on login, it's going to take you to the login page of Blizzard. Once you're over here, you want to enter your email and you want to enter your password. But since we do not know our password, I'm just going to type any random words and I'm going to click on login. And I will be not able to log in into my account because my password doesn't match. Once my password doesn't match, it's going to give me this option called forgot your password. You want to click on forgot your password. Once you click on forgot your password, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can recover your password. Now once you're over here, you want to enter the email address of the account of whose you forgot the password or which account your Battle.net has linked with. Alright, so this is my email with which my Battle account is linked. So I'm going to enter the email and click on continue. Once I click on continue, it's going to send a verification code to that email. But before that, I need to verify if I'm a human or not. So it says pick the image that is correct way up. So you need to fill up this verification form so you guys can move to the next step. All right, so after this is done, basically the email will be sent to it. So I need to go to there and enter the code over here. So I'm gonna check my email real quick. As you guys can see, Blizzard, or in another word, Battle.net has sent me the code over here. So wait for some time. So this is my code NDXTPX. I need to type it over here. Typing the code, you want to click on continue. After clicking continue, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can enter a new password. So you want to enter a new password over here and enter it again to confirm it. After you confirm the password, you want to click on continue and your password will be changed, or in another word, your Blizzard account will be resetted. So that's basically how you guys can change your Blizzard account's password if you guys have forgotten it. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Until then, it's me, Kevin, signing out.